Right. This in regards to the Speed paedia 2026 for grade 2 category. We are going to be looking at the basic solution to the proposed question so far. And actually, when you look critically into it, it is in alignment with the book 1.5. Yes, the book 1.5 is for the grade 2 pro, but some schools are still using 1.0. So I'm going to provide possible solutions to these problems, and please just follow that pattern. And with the appropriate, you following this pattern, you have nothing to worry about in regards to what the situation will look like, because you don't really have much problem on it again. So I will make sure that I write it bigger so that, like, let's look at question number one. Let's look at question number one. Is calculate one square. I think we are having up to about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in a situation like this, what we just need to do is to run forward. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you run back 4, 3, 2, 1. You get it? So if there are six ones, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I believe that is done. Then number two, the pattern follows like this. The number two pattern also goes along with what we are also talking about. Let's look at that also. When you look at this, yes, evaluate 72 times 11. 72 times 11. 11 is fine trick. So what you just going to do is tell the child to drop the first number, which is 7. Then you have to do 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is what? Is 9. The child will drop the 9, and the last answer is the last number, which is 2. Check the 2. This 2, you drop it down again. So the answer become 792, right? For example, if you're having another number like let's say you have something like 81. Let's say you have something like 81. Let's say 81 times 11. Very simple. The same pattern you follow. The first number is 8. Then 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is what? 8 plus 1 is 9. So right, it's going to be 9. Then you drop the last number, which is this one, which is 1. So 1. So the answer becomes 891. I believe that has been of help, right? So let's move to the next one. We are not going to deal with carrying of that particular number. Just follow suit. Then the next one is to look at this other number. Check it out. 14 times 12, according to our page 5. This 14 times 12 is talking about digit alignment method. You understand? It's the digit alignment method in which we can easily fix up by using this method. For example, I'm trying to highlight this for you. Now you can rearrange the situation to be 1 4. Get 1 4 times, I mean in their head, times 1 2. They are going to arrange like that in their head, in their head, please, in their head. And what they have to do here is to do 4 times 2. Now check it out. Now here they are coming to do 4. We times, we plus, we times. So now 4 times 2, 4 times 2 is what? Is 8. You get? Then what is 4 plus 2? 4 plus 2 is 6. You get? Then what is 1 times 1? Is 1. So, and in this situation, we are going to only focus on these simple numbers. We are going to focus on these simple numbers. We are not going forward. in any way to maybe stretch them beyond that. So the answer here become that number you are seeing. The answer there becomes that number you are seeing there. So we can actually say our children, we are not going to stress them. We are not going to stress them at all. So that becomes the answer. I believe we all got that. So is the C the same thing? If you're having 1 3 times 1 1, it's just for you to do 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 4. 1 times 1 1. So let them arrange in their head. They should be able to arrange like this in their head. So the next one is also almost like the same thing to what we are actually talking about. Now let's look at this same number. Look at it. 31 times 21. What you do here is, if you like to arrange it like this, fine, but no problem. If you don't want to arrange that, you do 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is 1 times 1, which is, these are numbers that end in 1, 2-digit number ending in 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. So the answer here will be 1. Then after that, you run again and go for this other number. 2 2 plus, sorry, 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Then what do you do again? 3 times 2 is 6. Yes, so that is going to be the answer. So that's how it is being run. I believe you following what I'm doing so far. So what I'm trying to say in essence is that this one will not be a massive problem for you, because it's just the matter of arrangement. This is what I just did. For those of you who did not get what I was doing, all right, let me pick something else to run with it for you. Sorry, I could not go better than this because of. All right. Now, what I'm saying that you can arrange like 3 1 get times 2 1, you get. Then having done that now you now do your work with times. 1 times 1, 1 times 1, 1 times 1 is 1. Then 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 is 5. Then 3 times 2, 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, so the answer practically become 651. 651. So that's what it practically becomes. I believe we are following what I'm doing. So it's just like, it's just a guide for those of us that are not speed math oriented. Then the next one is question number 10. Or next question here. Sorry, it has been scattered on my work. So this one is 7777 times 2. Now, for example, it could be 888 times 2. It could be 999 times 2. What you just need to do here is very simple. Is quickly you multiply one of this number here. You see, the first number, one of this first number here is 7. 7 and 2. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 2 is 14. Alright, as 7 times 2 is 14, what we now need to do next is to write the 14 and space it. How do you write your 14? So 7 times 2 is 14. You write 1 4. You give it space. 1 4. Then the next is do 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. And the question now is that how many 5 are you going to write? Then that one is depending on how many 7 are left. Know that, remember, you have used one of these 7, so you are left with 3 7. So 1 plus 5 is what? 1 plus 4 is 5. That means you will remove this 1 7 you are using, meaning you are left with 3 7. So you will now write 3 5 in the middle. 5 5. Oh, sorry, so sorry about that, please. So you are going to write 5, 5, 5, which becomes, so when you join the answer together now, your answer become 1555, 1554, because we have eliminated one of the 7 that we used to multiply the 2. So if yours is 999, the same pattern depending on the numbers of 9 that is remaining. Then let's move again to this one. This one is butterfly method. You understand me? This one, the best way to use this one is very simple. The butterfly approach is for you to run this guy. Let me quickly highlight it for you like this, so that I'm trying to see if I can highlight something for you. Now, you see this one here. See the numerator. The numerator, excuse me, sorry, I'm just managing this situation. All right. Let's look at our numerator here. Our numerator here is what? Our numerator here is 1. You can see our numerator here is 1, right? This 1 will multiply this denominator, which is 3. So we are having 1 times 3 plus, yes. Then see another one again. This 1 times 3 plus, now the numerator here will multiply the denominator here. So 2 times 2 is 4. So which will now give us 1 times 3 is 3 plus 4, which is was 7, over, that will be over 2 times 2, denominator times denominator, which is 6. So you can go through the book, you get me, you can go through the Speedman book and get that. Then this one also is on page 18, which is actually what is known as sorry, I'm not really good with this, stressing me. All right, so let's look at it. You go through this one again. Solve 62 minus 26. This is called match digit subtraction. Match digit subtraction. What you do here is very simple. What you do here is 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. Then times 9. The 9 is a constant, times 9. So 4 times 9 is equal to 36. Sorry, 36. So the answer here is 36. That means 6 minus 2. This 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. Times 9. The 9 is a constant from the sky. So 4 times 9 is 36. That's how to do that. Any number you have, if you're having 51 minus 15, you can see the digit alignment. 51 minus 15. What you need to do is to do 5 minus 1 is 4 times 9. You understand? Give you whatever it is. So just a digit alignment. Then this one is match digit subtraction. When you are match digit addition. When you are adding, what you do here is to simply say 5 plus what? 5 plus 8. What is 5? 5 plus 8 is what? 5 plus 8 is 13. Then times 11. 11 from the sky. Yes, 13 times 11 is 143. 143. So that's going to be the answer. Any number you say, as far as it's a match number, 58, 85, 92, 92, 29. You understand? So this, when it is the subtraction, you subtract and multiply by 9. When it's the addition, you add and multiply by 11. Please, let's quickly, please take note of that. Then this one is cube root in addition. Cube root in addition. This one is very simple. If it is cube root in addition, what you just need to do is to just add the number. Just add the number. Just add the number. Go away. So add the number and you get your answer. This one will be 5 plus 1 plus 2. which is what? Which is 8. That means cube root of 512 becomes what? 8. They are special number though. They are special number. There are about 7 special number that will be there, in which all the questions are going to come around that. It might be the number might be bigger than this. Like, what is the cube root of 0 is 0, because it's only one. 0 plus nothing is 0. Then cube root of 1 is 1 plus nothing, which is 1. So we have cube root of 4917, which the keys there to just to add it together, just straight addition. Then let's move to square root. Now, square root in addition, under the square root is still the same addition, but what we are going to do here is different. What we are going to do, that we are going to subtract the root from the answer. Now, this one is going to be 1. This one is going to be 1. 1 plus 9 plus what? Plus 6. Plus 6. You get it? Minus the root. Remember that the root here, the root here is going to be normally 2, supposed to be 2. We all know that, but we are not putting it there. So square root does not, they don't put the power there, but the children should know that there is power there minus 2. So it's just like the opposite of what we did in this. So 1 plus 9 plus 6 is 16. Then minus 2, which is equals to 14. You get now? So which is going to be equals to what? Equals to so minus 2, which is equal to 16 minus 2. 16 minus 2 will be equals to 14. So the answer here is 14, right? So please, even we have square root of 25. Square root of 25, that will be 2 plus 5, which is 7, minus 2, which is 5. Please let them know the difference, please. Thank you. Then this one also, this one is calculate 88 times 5. It's the same thing. This one is the same thing with what we did here. It's the same thing with this page. Think yes, here the same thing with what we did here. Yeah, the same thing. The same thing. What you need to do here, the same thing. 8 times 5 is 40. 40, but you give space before you write your 40. Then you now come back and do 4 plus 0, which is 4. How many 8 is left? You have used 1, remaining 1. So 4 plus, that's why you now put the 4 in the middle. Only 1 4. And even we have 2 8, that means we put 2 4 in the middle. So that's how that be. Then this one is 6 is fine. 6 is fine. What we now to do, anytime you're doing single number times 6, even number times 6. 8, what is half of 8? Half of 8 is 4. Then you drop the 8 originally. So that becomes the answer. Using 6 is fine. 6 is even, yes? So half of 8, half, then you drop the number. If it is 6 times 6, half of 6 is 3, then drop the 6 times 6. If it's 4 times 6, half of 4 is 2, then what you do? You drop the 4, making 24. Then this one, adding 10 consecutive number. This one is not hard. Just for us to guide our children and tell them that what they need to do is to add 4 to the first number. You see, the first number here is 12. The any number they have, you have 10 number that follows each other, adding them. The first number they add 4 to it. 12 plus 4 is 16. Right? 16. 12 plus 4 is 16. Good. Then they will drop 5. It's a constant 5 from the sky. The 5 is coming from the sky. The 5 is from the sky, not from. So if they're having 17 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20 plus 21 up to plus 26, 17 is the first number. 17 plus 4. 17 on their head, 4 on their hand. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. They write 21 and drop 5. You understand? So that's how to do that. So the next one is calculate 36 divided by 6. They already know their 6 times table, so they have to work that, which is the answer here is 6. So I will not go much there. Then evaluate 72 times 10, just for them to bring out their 72 and add 0 to the back because we only have one 0 attached to 10. Then the next one here, this one are simple question. Now calculate 6,500 divided by what? By 100. They will just cancel the two. 120 here, they will cancel 120 here, so they will be left with what? 65. So I think this answer here is 65. Then this 103 times 104. What they need to do is to do 4 times 3 is 12. It must be two-digit number. So I've drawn it to be two-digit number, 12. Then 12, right? Then I will now do 3 plus 4 again, but the one-digit number 7. Then I will drop any of these 10. You know that the remaining 10 here, so I will drop the 10. So that becomes the answer. You get it? So 4 times 3, 4 times 3 is 12. Then 7 plus 4, sorry, 3 plus 4 is 7. Then drop any of those 10. So that's how to get the answer. Then calculate 5 divided by 7 by 9. Remember we have only one 9, so we group this one into one number. You can see, so one number after the 5, nothing is left. That will be 0. Sorry, that will be 0 point. So actually that will be 0 point. So 5 is the only number left. So we are going to repeat 5 like 4 times to 4 decimal places. Now if it's 6 divided by 9, what do you write? 0.666. If it is 7 divided by 9, what is 0.777? 8 divided by 9, 0.888. 2 divided by 9, 0.99222. So please take note of that. Then percentage is the last one. It's very simple. No, percentage is a fraction with a base of 100. So remember 100 has 2 zeros. So here we cancel this 0. 1 0 will go here and that 1 0 will go here. So we are left with 4 and 5. 4 or 5, that's 4 or 5. 4 times 5 is 20. So your 2 0 cancel means 100. The base of 100 has cancelled the 2. If you might have like 30. Sometimes you might likely have like 30% of 80. What do you do? 0 will go from 30, 0 will go from 80, and you're left with 3 times 8, which is 24. Right? So that's how it goes. Please forward the name of your participant to us on latest on Monday, 8th of June for proper documentation. So I wish you all the best. Thank you. Sign out.